Hey guys, today we're going to make homemade tutti frutti cake. It's very delicious, simple and easy. So let's begin with the ingredients. 1 cup of granulated sugar, half a cup of melted butter, or you may use oil, 4 eggs, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, a quarter teaspoon of salt, and finally tutti frutti or dried berries. Milk required to get the batter consistency. Make sure you preheat your oven. Now we have a tray and we lined it with tin foil and we're going to grease it with a little bit of butter, or you may use oil, or you could put on a baking sheet or use non-stick spray. You could use any shape or size tray you want to bake your tutti frutti cake in. Now leave that aside and we're going to get on with making the mixture. Pour in sugar into your bowl, cracking your eggs, pour in your butter, and your vanilla for the extra flavour, and with a hand beater you're going to beat it. Beat for 6 to 7 minutes until the colour changes. And now we're done. With the flour, mix in the salt and baking powder. We're just going to whisk that in. Now you're going to sieve in half of your flour, baking powder and salt first. Then mix in with the spatula. Now you're just going to sieve in the other half. And mix that in. If you have a thick batter, you need to add milk to thin it out as much as needed. We're just adding 1 teaspoon because we do not need that much. And the consistency should be like this, not too thick but yet not too thin. So when you get on the spoon it runs off, and then when you do like shapes on your batter it stays like this. So that's how you know you got the right consistency. And finally, to finish it off, you have to add in your tutti fruttis to make it into a tutti frutti cake. So we're going to mix that in. Then to your grease tray, pour in your batter. And spread out your batter so it's even in the tray. Now we're going to bake this in the oven for 25 to 30 minutes at 180 degrees or 350 Fahrenheit. Check it after 20 minutes because everyone's oven is different. Once the cake has baked, check it with a toothpick. And if the toothpick comes out clean, that means the cake has fully baked. To make the top shiny and smooth, we're just going to spread some butter. And the cake is warm so it'll melt in. After that, tip over your tray. And because you greased it, it should easily come out. Like this. As you can see, your tutti fruttis are showing and it's looking beautiful. And we're going to leave this cake to cool down completely. You can cut it into any slices you want. We're just cutting in the middle and then the opposite way. The thickness and the slice's shape is up to you. So here we have our delicious, simple, easy Tutti Frutti cake. Exactly like the shop bought one, but this is extra tasty because it's homemade. So be inspired, try new things and conquer amazing skills. And like and subscribe and comment down below and check out our other videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.